That's so cool. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Jessica. Welcome to part 4 of me unboxing all of the packages that I've recently received. We are going to unbox this one today. This is from Cinnaminson, NJ, New Jersey. Cinnaminson, New Jersey. Is that how you pronounce it? That's so cool. This is probably one of my giveaway wins. Oh, okay. The New York Times 10 Best Books of 2018. It's called The Great Believers and it's by Rebecca Makkai. I'm gonna be honest, I have no idea what this book is about. I thought it looked interesting, so I entered the giveaway and I won. This is a nice cover. Look at those colors. Thank you, Nusha, for the book. It is so cool. I'm looking forward to reading it, and that wraps it up for this video. This was a short video, oh my gosh. Some of these videos I'm either gonna ramble a lot or I'm not. But yeah, that's the end of this quick video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up, comment down below anything you want, subscribe if you haven't already, hit the notification bell, and I will see you in part 5.